Good morning to all of you. Myself, Gulab Nitin Namdev from Rao Bahadur Narayan Rao Borauke College, Department of Chemistry. In our previous lecture, we discussed the point alkyne in the 11th chemistry chapter hydrocarbon. 11th chemistry chapter hydrocarbons. In this lecture, we discussed the point that is new point, that is aromatic hydrocarbon. In our previous lecture, we discussed the topic in hydrocarbon, that is alkynes, chemical reactivities of alkynes and methods of preparation of alkynes. In this lecture, we discussed the new point in hydrocarbon, that is aromatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbons means what? The aromatic hydrocarbons contains only carbon and hydrogen are the only elements. The compounds or the structure or the aromatic the compound which contain carbon and hydrogen are the only element in their ring or in their molecular formula are called as aromatic hydrocarbon. One of the famous example of aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Molecular formula of benzene is C6H6. Benzene is the parent compound of most of the organic compound. In most of the organic compounds, benzene is a parent compound. For example, most of the examples, nitrobenzene, chlorobenzene, bromobenzene, iodobenzene, more and etc. More of the example. Benzene is parent compound of most of the organic compounds. Benzene contain carbon and hydrogen are the only element. So benzene also called as aromatic hydrocarbons. And most of the example, benzene is parent for the most of the organic compound. The aromatic hydrocarbons are classified into two types, that is aromatic hydrocarbons and aliphatic hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons we have already discussed in this chapter, that is classification of hydrocarbons. In that we have already studied that classification of hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbons are classified into two types, that is aromatic hydrocarbons and aliphatic hydrocarbons. What is aromatic hydrocarbons and what is aromatic hydrocarbons and what is aliphatic hydrocarbons? Aromatic hydrocarbons, it contains higher percentage of the carbon. Aromatic hydrocarbons has a higher percentage of the carbon. And aliphatic hydrocarbon it contains a lower percentage of carbon. We have already discussed in our previous lecture, that is aromatic classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are classified as aromatic hydrocarbons and aliphatic hydrocarbons. Aromatic hydrocarbon contains higher percentage of carbon and aliphatic hydrocarbon contains lower percentage of the carbon. We distinguish aromatic hydrocarbon and aliphatic hydrocarbon. First point is percentage of carbon. It has higher percentage of carbon, it has lower percentage of carbon. Second point is they burn with sooty flame. Aromatic compound burn with sooty flame and aliphatic hydrocarbons or aliphatic compounds, they burn with non-sooty flame. When we take a compound on a wire gauze in our laboratory, when we burn it on a gas, aromatic hydrocarbon burn with sooty flame. They give a sooty flame, and aliphatic hydrocarbon does not give sooty flame, they burn with non-sooty flame in our laboratory. When we take some compound on our wire gauze in laboratory and heated it on a low flame, aromatic hydrocarbons burn with sooty flame and aliphatic hydrocarbons are burned with non-sooty flame. Next point is they are cyclic compound with alternate single and double bond. We have already know that aromatic hydrocarbons contain alternate single and double bond. Aromatic hydrocarbons are cyclic compound with alternate single and double bond. Aromatic hydrocarbons contain alternate single and double bond in their structure or in their ring. They are cyclic compound with alternate single and double bonds. In case of aliphatic hydrocarbons, they are open chain compounds. They are open chain compounds. Next point in aromatic hydrocarbon is they are not attacked by normal oxidizing and reducing agent. Aromatic hydrocarbons are not attacked by normal oxidizing and reducing agent. Aromatic hydrocarbon does not show reaction with normal oxidizing and reducing agents. And in case of aliphatic hydrocarbons are easily attacked by oxidizing and reducing agent. Means what? Aliphatic hydrocarbon shows reaction with oxidizing and reducing agent. This is the classification of aromatic hydrocarbon and aliphatic hydrocarbons. Next point in aromatic hydrocarbon is aromatic character. Next point is aromatic character in aromatic hydrocarbon. First aromatic character, which is shown by Haeckel rule, means which compound is aromatic or which compound is not aromatic or non-aromatic. It is decided on the basis of rule that is called as Haeckel rule. Haeckel's rule. It is depend on this rule. Means we said a compound is aromatic or non-aromatic. It is depend on Haeckel's rule, which is state that any cyclic planar fully conjugated contains 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. A compound is said to be aromatic when and when if a compound is any compound has cyclic planar fully conjugated contains 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. The compound which compound we see it as aromatic? A compound has obey Haeckel's rule. Haeckel's rule said that any cyclic planar fully conjugated contain 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic, and these compounds are aromatic which obey Haeckel's rule. Now let us apply this rule to the following compound. Let's apply this Haeckel's rule to the following compound, that is benzene. We apply this rule to this benzene. We want to know benzene is aromatic or non-aromatic by applying this rule. Now benzene it is cyclic and planar and fully conjugated. Any cyclic planar fully conjugated. What is meant by fully conjugated? Fully conjugated means what? It contains alternate double and single bond. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Any cyclic means carbon-carbon bond are in cyclic manner. Carbon-carbon bond are attached to each other in a cyclic manner. Any cyclic planar fully conjugated means what? Fully conjugated means what? Alternate double and single bond. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Fully conjugated contains 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. It is cyclic and planar. Where 4n plus 2, where n stands for 0, 1, 2, 3, dash dash etc. when n comes out as an integer number. Benzene, it is cyclic and planar. It has 3 double bonds and 6 pi electrons. It has 3 double bond and 6 pi electrons. It has 3 double bond and 6 pi electron. 3 double bond, 1, 2 and 3. It has 3 double bond and 6 pi electron. This compound is aromatic compound. Why? Because it obeys Huckel's rule. And 4n plus 2 is equal to number of pi electron. 4n plus 2 is equal to number of pi electron. 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Why this is because 6? Because number of pi electron is 6 in benzene ring. Number of pi electron in benzene ring is 6. So this equation is applied here. 4n plus 2 is equal to number of pi electron. Now 4n plus 2 is equal to 6. Now 4n is equal to 6 minus 2. This 6 plus and this plus minus. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 4n is equal to 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. And n is equal to 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1, where n comes out, that is integer number. Hence benzene is aromatic compound according to the Huckel's rule. Huckel's rule states that any cyclic, planar, fully conjugated contain 4n plus 2 pi electron is said to be aromatic. We apply this rule to this benzene compound and it shows that n is equal to 1, that is integer number. Hence benzene is aromatic compound. Benzene has 3 double bond and 6 pi electron. So this is aromatic. This compound shows aromatic character. And the compound which does not obey Huckel's rule, this compound is called as non-aromatic compound, which does not obey Huckel's rule. This is aromatic character and this is Huckel's rule which we have applied in benzene compound, which is aromatic compound. Next point in this chapter, that is preparation of aromatic compound, which is included in aromatic hydrocarbons. That is preparation of aromatic compounds. How these aromatic compounds are prepared? Preparation of aromatic compound. First method of preparation of aromatic compound is preparation of aromatic compound from ethyne. Preparation of aromatic compound from ethyne. When CH triple bond CH means ethyne, 3 molecules of ethyne when heated with red hot iron tube at 873 Kelvin temperature is trimerizes as give a benzene ring. When this 3 ethyne molecule trimerizes in red hot iron tube at the temperature range 873 Kelvin. It is heated in red hot iron tube. These 3 molecules of ethyne trimerizes and form a benzene aromatic compound. This is 3 molecules of ethyne. These 3 molecules has trimerizes in each other and gives benzene. When these 3 molecules of ethyne are heated in red hot iron tube at very high temperature, that is 873 Kelvin, this trimerizes and gives benzene as a aromatic compound. In triple bond, one bond is shifted in 3 ethyne molecule and form a benzene as a aromatic compound. This is first method of preparation of aromatic compound from ethyne. Second method of preparation of aromatic compound from phenol, preparation of benzene from phenol. Second method of preparation of benzene from phenol, that is when phenol are heated with zinc. When this phenol are heated with zinc, it gives benzene. It gives benzene aromatic compound. When these phenol are heated with zinc, it gives benzene as a aromatic compound. Next point is chemical properties of benzene. We have seen that methods of preparation of benzene. Next point is chemical properties of benzene. Next point is chemical properties of benzene. First is addition reaction. First reaction of benzene is addition reaction. In that, first reaction is addition of chlorine. Addition of chlorine to the benzene. Now, when benzene are treated with chlorine in presence of UV light, when benzene are treated with chlorine in presence of UV light, it gives BHC, means benzene hexachloride as a product. It is called as benzene hexachloride. When this Cl2, 3 moles of Cl2 gas is react with this benzene ring in presence of UV light, it gives benzene hexachloride as a product. Here is 6 atom of chlorine, and this 6 atom of chlorine, first, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6. Number of chlorine 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thrice of Cl2, 6 atom of chlorine. Benzene react with Cl2 in presence of UV light, it gives BHC, benzene hexachloride. This benzene hexachloride are used in agriculture field. It is used as a insecticide in agriculture. This benzene hexachloride, it is used as a insecticide in agriculture field. Next chemical property of benzene is addition of hydrogen to the benzene. When this benzene and hydrogen are react with each other in the presence of nickel as a catalyst in the temperature range 453 Kelvin to 473 Kelvin temperature range, it gives cyclohexane. It gives cyclohexane. When molecular formula of benzene is C6H6 and molecular formula of cyclohexane is C6H12, means there is an addition of 6 hydrogen takes place. Addition of 6 hydrogen takes place, and this carbon-carbon double bond, these 3 bonds in benzene gets removed from the benzene when hydrogen gases react with benzene ring in presence of nickel catalyst. Catalyst is the substance which alters the rate of reaction, or it increases the rate of reaction. Catalyst is the substance which increases the rate of reaction. We use nickel as a catalyst in this reaction, and it forms a cyclohexane. This is the addition of hydrogen in benzene. This included in addition reaction. Addition of chlorine and addition of hydrogen in benzene takes place. Next is substitution reaction. Next chemical properties of benzene is substitution reaction. In that, first reaction is nitration of benzene. Before that, we have already discussed, or we have already studied that what is meant by substitution reaction. Substitution reaction means what? The reaction in which atom or groups of atom has been replaced by another atom or groups of atom. It is called as substitution reaction. Substitution reaction means what? The reaction in which atom or groups of atom is replaced by another atom or group of atom. It is called as substitution reaction. In nitration of benzene, there is a replacement of this hydrogen by this NO2. So substitution reaction is happen in this reaction. Atom is replaced by this NO2 group and formation of nitrobenzene takes place. In this reaction, when benzene is heated with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid, it gives nitrobenzene as a product plus elimination plus removing of water molecule takes place. This is benzene is heated with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. It gives nitrobenzene as a product. Okay, we will stop here. Thank you.